After the death of Chadwick Boseman in August 2020, a lot has been said about him which is not true. YouTubers, bloggers doing their job as always, but going so far into telling lies about this man, which is really disrespectful. And myself, who is a fan, just like every other fan, wanting to know about the update of Chadwick Boseman, has been going to search for information and news concerning this man. And so far, in as much as people are being very informative about this situation, a lot of people have said a lot of things about him which is not true. This is not the first time that things like this is happening, but it's just to be aware or to bring to awareness to people that even though bloggers and so many other different peoples that are associated with the internet may want to just make their money on this situation, we have to learn and understand that we should always learn to speak the truth. People said a lot of things, such as the body of this man was burnt and thrown into the sea. This might be true and it might not be true. People also said he was buried. Others said that his wife is pregnant. Others even said that his wife has given birth. His family members, his wife, and his brothers and sisters have not said a lot since his death, and it's just unfair for people to go about saying whatever they wish just to draw people to come and watch their channels or to come and get the wrong news. It's not good to be misinformed. It's not good to misinform others as well. We have to learn to know that many people take this information and some do not even know that what they learned is not true, and they may go further to spread it. So always be careful of what you share on social media. There is so much to talk about, there is so much to share, there is so much to inform others of that is true, that is interesting, that people will still watch rather than going to spread lies. Be careful of what you say. This is disrespectful, and Chadwick Boseman was a very entertaining person, someone that commanded respect, someone that loved people, someone that was friendly, and it's only fair for his family to be respected and only what is true be said about him. If his family has decided to be private about this man's death, about everything surrounded his death, his illness, and what next, the wife being pregnant or not, I think it's only fair for bloggers, for fans to respect, because aside him being an entertainer, he also has his private life. So if he has decided to keep it private, let's respect it, just like if other celebrities have decided to keep their own lives not private or to leave it out there on social media. It is their choice, they have the right to do it, and so we should respect it. So a lot of things were said about Chadwick Boseman after he died, things that were not true at all, and things that there were no proofs for, things that no one could actually confirm. And saying that his wife was pregnant could be true, but the fact that people did photo shoots or photo cropping, so many different things just to prove this case that is not true, is not right at all. We don't even know how his wife is going to feel about it. We don't know how his family, his mother, his brothers are going to feel about it. And we don't know how the fans, people who watch our channels, are going to feel or react when they find out that this information that they got, thinking that is true, was a lie. So hello dear viewers, thank you for stopping by my channel today. I'm so grateful that you stopped by, and I just thought that I myself, being a fan of Chadwick Boseman, and after seeing a lot about him and his family that is not true, I decided to come out to say it out. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned to speak the truth. I hope you learned to pick out things that you can say the truth about it, that will still give you views, that people will still love. And thank you so much for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to like this video, and see you next time. Remember that there are still very interesting topics that can be talked about, that will fetch viewers, that are true. Watch out what you talk about, because this man's family or whatever that you post, their families are watching and they get hurt by whatever that is posted that is not true. Please watch out, because this may be you someday, this may be your family member, this may be your loved one. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and God be with you. Learn to speak the truth. Learn to understand the feelings of other people that are going to watch whatever that you're putting up on your channel. And I hope you understand, but don't take it personal.